Coucou les amis, c'est Welva, j'espère que vous allez bien. Today we are going to see les dates en français. Have you heard about that in French before? Of course you should. So before knowing how to write dates in French or asking dates in French, we have to learn the days in the week, the months in the year in French. Let's start. So, pour les jours en français, nous avons lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Can we go again? Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. So you will realize that the first six, they end with a D. That's D-I, but it is pronounced what? D. Is that okay? So you can practice again and again. Is that fine? All right. So let's continue with les mois de l'année en français. So the first one we have janvier, février. The first and the second, you can see they have similar ending. The ie. Janvier, février. Then we have mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août. You realize that the T on the juillet is not pronounced, but the T on the août is pronounced. Septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. So from September to December, they're ending the same by bre. Can we go again? All right. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Is that okay? All right. So, how do we write dates in French? Dates in French follow the following format. You have to write the day, the month, the year. It can have different forms. Formal form, normal form, short form. So for the formal form, you can use it when writing letters, official letters. You write mardi, comma, that's the day of the week, mardi, comma. Then you write write the corresponding day in the month. Then you write the year. Mardi le 6 septembre 2020. The normal form, you write mardi 6 septembre 2020. There is no le in the normal form. Then the short form, we have 6 septembre 2020. Asking dates in French. So if I want to know the date of today or today's date in French, how do I ask? You can use quelle est la date de? Exemple, quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? You can also use quel jour sommes-nous aujourd'hui? Then the response can differ. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes mardi le 6 septembre 2020. On est mardi le 6 septembre 2020. C'est mardi le 6 septembre 2020. You can also use it to ask for birthdays. Quel est le jour de ton anniversaire? You can use it to ask for events. Quel est le jour du mariage. Le jour du mariage est... Je continue. Quelle sera la date demain? Demain sera... You give the date. That is the future. That's tomorrow. For yesterday, quelle était la date hier? Hier était, for example, lundi le 5 septembre 2020. Okay, so what are the points to note on the date in French? So the points to note include days and months do not start with a capital letter as in English, except they are the beginning word in a sentence. So if you want to write, for example, septembre in a sentence, it won't start with a capital S, capital letter S. Days are always in a masculine form. So we say le mardi. We don't say la mardi. All the days are always in the masculine form. We use cardinal numbers, that's counting numbers in French, for the dates, except le premier. Example, le 1er mai instead of le 1 mai. Why in English we use words ordinary numbers? We say the 2nd of October, the 1st of October. So in French we use cardinal numbers, the counting numbers. Take a look at these two sentences. On Saturday, I play football. Samedi, je joue au football. No article in front of samedi. The second sentence, every Saturday, I play football. Le samedi, je joue au football. There is an article in front of samedi. So the second one simply means that every Saturday, you actually play the football. It's a repeated action you do on Saturdays. So basically, on Saturdays, you play football. Meanwhile, the first one does not necessarily mean that every Saturday you play football. It might just mean that it is only that Saturday that you intend to play football. So that is why the article is not used. So the article is not used in the present tense. But if it is a repeated action or an action that has taken place in the past, you can use l'article in front of the day. So you can use le in front of the day. Is that okay? So let's move to the exercise. So we will have to complete using le, un. On est 2 janvier. So what should we say? Le or un? On est correct. Le 2 janvier. So you are going to use the article le. But what if I say c'est 2020? What are you going to use there? Le or un? C'est le 2020. No, we use un for years, for month. So it is c'est en 2020. Is that okay? All right. Nous sommes août. Nous sommes le août. No. Nous sommes en août. Is that okay? The next one. Nous sommes 2 novembre. Okay, so whenever there is the day it is le. Nous sommes le 2 novembre. So the second exercise, you have to write the dates. Quelle est la date? That first one, what's the answer? La date est le 2 janvier 2024. Correct. The second one, you have to write it in the formal form. So what are you going to say? La date est mardi le 3 février 2024. Correct. Last one, you write it in the normal form. Dimanche 10 février 2024. Correct. So I hope you enjoy the video. See you. See you next time.